I thought I'd do a new cover basically, 'cause I'm kind of really bored right now. So I'm gonna do Skinny Love, but the baddie version. Come on, Skinny Love, just let me out. For a little salt we would never hear. I, staring at the thing of blood and Christian ear. I tell my love to wreck it all. Cut out all the ropes and let me fall. Riding moments before the storm. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be calm. And in the moment I'll be with you, but it'll be a different car. And I'll be holding all the tickets, and you'll be owning all the fines. Come on, Skinny Love, what happened here? Stuck on the hope that was near. I. Well, lonely exposed the slow on the stairs. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be strong, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And now all your love is wasted, and who the hell will die? And now I'm breaking all the bridges, and I'll be asking for a while. Who will love you? Who will find? And who will fall behind? Come on, Skinny Love. My.